The Kyrgyz Republic is located in Central Asia, bordering Kazakhstan to the north, Uzbekistan to the west, Tajikistan to the southwest, and China to the southeast. 90% of the territory is mountainous, which makes the country a paradise for those who like active vacation or just like spending time in nature. There are two main mountain systems in the Kyrgyz Republic, Tian Shan and Pamir, and 7,000 plus meter peaks, Lenin, Tengri, and Pobeda peaks attracting tourists and alpinists from all over the world. There are also 40,000 rivers with crystal clear glacial drinking water and more than 2,000 lakes hidden in the epically beautiful valleys. The population of the Kyrgyz Republic is almost 7 million. About 1 million people live in the capital city, Bishkek, that is about 800 meters above the sea. This city in the south ends by the Ala-Archa mountain range, with the Ala-Archa National Park that welcomes all foreign tourists and guests as their first destination. There are three main reasons to visit the Kyrgyz Republic. Let's study them in detail. First of all, the Kyrgyz Republic lies on the Great Silk Road. As well known, the most popular tours are on the Silk Road. UNESCO officially recognized and listed 4 monumental heritages of the Kyrgyz Republic. It is possible to find and visit the Silk Road destinations that are described in many historical sources. Destinations on the screen. It is Burana Tower, Tash Rabat, Caravanserai, and Uzgen Minaret. The second reason is our values of nomadic culture. Every Kyrgyz citizen is proud of its nomadic history, cultural diversity, and inclusion in daily life. Nomadic values of the modern Kyrgyz people unite, balance, and strengthen the family ties. By visiting the Kyrgyz Republic, guests have the unique chance to observe what the nomadic way of life is and even feel the nomads themselves by spending a night in a yurt surrounded by green, pure nature, and the sky full of stars at night. The third reason is the unique nature and celestial mountains. As mentioned, the Kyrgyz Republic is a country of scenic mountains and crystal clear rivers and lakes. For those who like active vacation, there are plenty of trekking and hiking routes for both beginners and professionals. To those who do not like to walk in the mountains, there is an option to see the famous 7,000 plus peaks, Tengri and Pobeda, by taking helicopter excursions. Therefore, the stunning and breathtaking views that thousands of fabulous photos are guaranteed. And we are cordially welcoming you as our guests to the Kyrgyz Republic, the country of nomads and celestial mountains. Feel nomad spirit.